shit, man.
Yo, I'm gonna need to borrow that pencil.
Yeah, just know it's Jonas. We'll go back and forth with
Yeah, exactly. You're gonna siphon the pen, you know?
Nah, we're.
Yeah, how you doing? It's a Wednesday.
Nah,
Go to Harlem, you find out.
Like this. He's just chilling, looking around and shit. So I take it.
Go to Harlem, and you find out.
Isn't that right?
Be on the block.
I can't imagine Kava chilling on the Dakota still.
Yeah, let's get into it.
This thing was just.
Yeah, let's get into it.
Yo, what did he actually fuck?
Yo, -2 mil. -2 mil.
You are cooked, bro. You're not passing no class.
W's in the chat. Just gotta put some salt in the wound, you know?
There's a dent there. Yeah, there's a dent there. No, but that's what I'm trying to tell you. Yeah, that's what's supposed to. Does it? It doesn't. That's what I'm saying. If it comes in two different boxes, maybe I'll tell my shit. Which box is it? Which box? This came out of this box? Were you not realize? Yeah. Means did it come out of this box? Yeah. Because he's calling me. You see, you just gotta grab him by his shirt. Okay. You know what I'm saying? First on this side. Oh, fuck. This box don't say? Look at the paper. What paper? On the front. This shit, right? Yeah. Yo, Mike, yesterday you forgot to tighten the wheel, right? What? Yesterday you forgot to tighten the wheel. Shorty. No, they said you should pop. When you put it in the box? I'm just a messenger. I don't know. But he's the first. I don't know. I was here. He's already up in here. Where's fucking now? BQ. Yo, G, what's up? You think you could break it? Break what? You think you can finally get to that bottom B or no? It's up to you. Sorry. Yeah, but that's like I ain't scared. I pressed it, it started going on. Motherfucker. Oh man. You know what that felt like? You know the hooks that the trucking has and you go against it? Fuck. That's what it felt like. Yeah. Alright, let's check it in. What you got your hair clear? Don't worry, that guy, you know that guy. Right, me? Right? Right? Say yes or no. Only the back. Oh, wait, all the way up. Is it on off? You're going in the right direction? Yes, we're going in the right direction, sir. Yes, righty, tighty, lefty, loosey. It's on off.
But yeah, but I see you pushing this way.
Nah, he was pulling. Yeah. You see, sir? I see. You think we doing the wrong thing. Hold on. Take this shit off. Push it? No. But this was bending, so it's not gonna work.
What I'm doing? It's not bending, it's moving in the bushes. Where did you break it off?
I gotta take a bar. Y'all try to break the bar? Yeah. Let me get a breaking bar and let me get a extended impact. The long one? I don't know. The long impact. You mean sound? Yes, the long impact sound. Long torque is cool. Boom. Oh, it's right there. That's over torque. I don't need that. Alright, can someone hold it? Can someone hold it? Make sure that's Can someone, alright, 3, 2, 1, and... Yo! Oh my fucking god! They actually have that research? He's pulling up with the heat. Yo, but
Excuse me?
He's pulling up with the heat.
I've been saying heat this whole time.
When in doubt, burn it out.
That shit just took me.
Watch it.
Yo.
Oh yeah,
I want to let him know.
we win. We win now.
So this bolt, I don't know if it's stripped or whatever, but we have to.
It's not
It's
stripped.
tight as fuck. So we have to put heat to it in order for it to come out. Like yeah. So it's fire on it right now. He's about to put heat to it
Cook
right
that
now.
ball. Cook his
Watch out for the
ass.
shots, sir.
Yo, oh, you gonna cook
be
his
careful.
axle boot, my boy? Yo,
No,
oh,
sir.
You
His
cooking his
boot.
axle boot?
His axle boot.
Ain't got two little axles.
Yo, how is he a teacher?
Bro,
How is he a teacher?
he did bad.
How is he a teacher?
He did bad. He did bad. He did bad. He did bad. And that was all him. Because nobody was holding that flamethrower but him. The niggas was like, chit. Hey, still. Niggas said, chit. It's on video.
Just to stop letting just stop throwing shit. Listen, right?
The power and everything.
You ever want to cry?
Listen. What you doing?
Trying to knock the axle.
Back in the day.
That's a lot for now.
What's some stories?
Get the air hammer. I'm gonna do some stories. Faster, quicker way.
I think it was back in the day.
I'm mad my damn self.
Sick of this shit.
Shock it a little bit. Shock it.
A pry bar and a hammer. Put it under here. Try and pry out. Also take if you get a flathead in there, just try and hammer it that way. So you can get it loose. Yes.
You were trying earlier. Was it moving?
That wasn't time for this?
Huh?
That wasn't time for the vehicle?
No.
We just put the boat back. No coolant came out, so something else happened. So something else is happening. Yo, y'all have a electric ratchet?
No.
I told you we need the Milwaukee. Gotta bring it from the crib, man. Gotta bring it from the crib. I told you. You never know. He always has to do that. I'm telling you, bro.
If first not here, so let me tell you something. If there's a will, there's a way. I know that. You already know that. And if I know where to go to get to it, but I always have my own shit. Electrical? I just don't feel like going outside. That's not a question.
Bring it out.
If I have
I never opposed to the
the next
idea.
question is like, can we borrow?
I'm gonna just bring my shit,
I'm not
bro.
gonna
With my gun and my fucking ratchet.
Nobody takes it.
So I just bring my shit.
If I'm bringing my shit, I'm being douche about it. I'm not giving it to nobody.
They probably don't let you use a lot of electric stuff. They have children that you can use.
Nah, it don't matter. I'm just saying. But you don't got that electric ratchet. You're not cool. You're not cool yet. Where it ends. The bottom one? I think you're gonna have to use the extension for that one. Yeah, copy use the extension. We hand through everything.
That shit is weird. It's weird. Cause why the fuck is it leaking? Why is it leaking?
It's not supposed to be leaking.
Makes no sense.